Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine with a delicious recipe. It's summer and we would definitely love preparing something refreshing for our Jagannath. Keeping this in mind, let's prepare an amazing cooler. So today let's prepare Mango Tadgola Delight. Tadgola, also known as iceapple, is one of the summer's most fascinating gifts. So let's get started. First take about 10 to 12 ice apples. They are available only in the summer season and are naturally cooling. Now peel them. We have already shared many summer recipes and all of them are available in the summer recipes playlist. The link is provided in the description box. Next take 4 to 5 mangoes. We have taken Ratnagiri Alfonso mangoes, but you can use any local sweet mangoes available in your area. Let's cut the mangoes. By using spoon to scoop, you will get perfect mango chunks with minimal wastage. Now let's cut them. We will use half of the mangoes and ice apples for the shake now. Take a mixer jar. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar and 1.5 cups of milk. Blend it. Add it into a mixing bowl. Now add the remaining pieces of tadgola and mango. Mix all this well. Refrigerate it for 1 hour. Garnish it with some tadgola pieces and mango. Some chopped pistachios and dried rose petals. With this, our mango tadgola delight is ready. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer it to Lord Jagannath. If you like all these prasadam recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any prasad recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.